Once you've created your Camtasia project, to save it, click on File at the left top corner, click on Save As, and browse wherever you want to save your project at. I want to save it on desktop and name it tutorials. So I'll select desktop, tutorials, and by default you can save the type as a Camtasia project. Click on save. Now shut this, and you can see I've already got the Camtasia file over here. Double click on this. What it will do is it will open up Camtasia at first. Then it will automatically load the media and import it and present everything on the timeline the way it was before. See this, loading tutorials, and you're back at where you left. You can also do it in another way. Open Camtasia directly, open project, browse wherever you have saved the project. If I have saved it on desktop, let's say it's right here, tutorials. That's one way. Or second is, in recent files you should see the project. Double click. There you've got it. Now let's say you make an edit after you have saved it already on your desktop. I made a small edit. I cut a portion of this video. Now all I need to do is save or Ctrl+S. That's it. That's all about saving.